the English news bulletin of News 90. Breaking news from Tamil Nadu, where the Food Safety and Drug has taken a significant step to protect public health due to the high risk of contamination by dangerous pathogens. Raw egg-based mayonnaise has been classified as high-risk product. Let's have a look at the report. Tamil Nadu's Food Safety and Drug Administration has classified raw egg-based mayonnaise as a high-risk food product due to its susceptibility to contamination by dangerous pathogens. Tamil Nadu has announced a one-year ban effective from April 8 on production, storage, sale and distribution of mayonnaise made with raw eggs. The decision, formally communicated through a state notification by Food Safety Commissioner R. Lalveena, stems from growing public health and safety concerns surrounding the condiment. High-risk food production. The state's Food Safety and Drug Administration has classified raw egg-based mayonnaise as a high-risk food production due to its susceptibility to contamination by dangerous pathogens, including many harmful chemicals in it. These bacteria are commonly linked to mishandled eggs and are known to cause serious illness including food poisoning, gastrointestinal infections. Routine checks by the Food Safety Department uncovered widespread non-compliance in the handling and storage of raw egg mayonnaise across various food establishments. These violations have heightened the risk of microbial contamination, prompting authorities to take prevention action through the ban. Let's move on to the next bulletin. The Supreme Court has issued a stern warning to Tamil Nadu's minister, directing him to resign from his ministerial post or face the possibility. Let's have a look at the report. The Supreme Court has issued a strong warning to Tamil Nadu's minister Vicente Balaji, instructing him to resign from his ministerial post or face the possibility of having his bail revoked in the ongoing money laundering case linked to the widely published Cash for Jocks scam. SC warns Minister Senthil Balaji. During a hearing held on Wednesday, a bench comprising Justice Abhay S. Oka and A.G. Mercy directed Balaji to make a choice between remaining in office or preserving his liberty. The court granted his time until the following Monday to arrive at a decision, placing the onus squarely on the minister as per report on Live Law. This warning came as the court considered petition submitted by the Enforcement Directorate, which argued that Balaji had been attempting to influence witness involved in the case. The justices voiced serious concern over Balaji's swift reappointment to the cabinet shortly after receiving bail, raising critical questions about the ethics of allowing someone facing such serious allegations to return to a position of power, reported the New Indian Express. Referring the findings from the earlier ruling, the court highlighted that Balaji's during the previous term as minister had allegedly concerned complaints into withdrawing their cases filed under the Prevention of Corruption Act. That's all for now. For more updates, stay tuned and keep watching News 90. Thank you.